Hello everyone, this is Chandana again, and today I'll be talking about is the use of mobile phone really essential for our day-to-day learnings? Well, every coin has two faces. This is true. Everything has pros and cons. This is true. It really depends on you how you toss the coin, and it really depends on you what do you want the coin to be like. So, if your answer is you will use mobile phone for playing games, watching YouTube, doing Instagram, or you will use your mobile phone for improving your skills, learning new techniques, learning many things, including in your courses, like this. So, how am I saying that mobile phone is essential, and without this, you may lack in this competitive world? Well, while my JEE preparation, there were a lot of questions, there were a lot of modules which were limited to my coaching only. But if I really wanted to compete all over the India students, then I need to solve those questions which are solved by everyone, every top rank students. So, and these questions will not be provided by any coaching, because these coaching will only provide their modules only. They will not suggest you ki you, if you are a Narayana student, then your teacher will not suggest you to do Allen modules, do Akash modules. But if you, but to face to tackle the actual competition, you need to solve those questions, and these questions are piled up in some folders provided in the Telegram channels, provided in the YouTube descriptions. So here you get a worldwide, I will say, worldwide competition. You can face it off. The second one is why my J preparation. If you are going to do a test series, then it will only limit yourself to that institute, that small branch only. But if you are going to take a nationwide test series, like there are many things which are like competition, math on go. So these test series will help you to evaluate yourself on the nation basis, not on your exam center basis. So this is how you can improve yourself, small, by taking small steps, small steps, and this will literally help you. Okay, so after my JEE competition, there were a lot of things that I needed to learn, such as chess, such as coding, such as improving my GD topics, current affairs. So these informations you cannot gather by meeting people around, because I barely found my like NDA aspirant here in Belaganj. I barely found two to three friends, in which only two were serious. The third one was like as an exam देते रहे हैं. So also for making a friend group of your competitive exam, then you can make your friends online, and in those online platforms you can recognize who are serious, who are just chatting in the group. And with those serious students, you can actually start your preparation. You can actually continue your preparation by exchanging the materials that you have. If I have the details of all the tanks used by Indian Army, then I will send him. He has the details of all the aircrafts used by Indian Army, he will send me. So there is a like um, cooperative nationwide cooperative thing is happening there. So because of these things, you are not only preparing by yourself only, but you are actually meeting with those people virtually, and your preparation boosts up by some next level. And this will only happen with serious students, because those students who are not serious, they will just go watch those PDF, close that PDF, and again move to the YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. So it really depends on you how you use those technologies, like against yourself or for yourself. So you need to understand what are those steps taken by you are against your future, against your career, or they are for your future, for your career. So this is what I was talking about. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And again, I'm saying you just list down the things. What is ruining your day and what are making your day? Just make a list and realize कि how much energy you are spending on those things which are ruining your day. So that's all. Thank you for today.